Hello, you might have seen the My Rhino Readers Library on the Twinkl website. If not, you'll find this new tool in the My Resources section of your account. You can get to this by clicking your username in the corner when you're logged in. In My Resources, select My Rhino Readers Admin to access the admin area. You can then select the level of book using the tabs at the top and use the checkboxes to enable or disable individual books for individual children. It's possible to see either the whole level of books available or filter to just a specific sub-level. So how will children see the books you've set them? Once they have their learner login, all they'll need to do is log into their learner login account at twinkl.co.uk/learn and select My Rhino Readers Library from the icons. The books you've selected for them to read will be there. In a nutshell, My Rhino Readers Library gives you even more opportunities to use and share the Rhino Readers books with your children. For example, you can browse the library at twinkl.co.uk/reading scheme and share one of our books with your class on an interactive whiteboard before allocating your children the same book to read at home with just a few clicks. Or you can mix and match the printed copies and ebooks when sending books home. Printed copies of our books are available to purchase in our store or by contacting our lovely schools team. I hope this was helpful. If you have any problems, please get in touch with Twinkl Cares or take a look at the FAQs on our website.